What's up, YouTube? Bunch of Nebraska boys about to head up to South Dakota. Loaded and ready, baby. Can't wait. We are on Enemy Swim Lake up here in Webster, South Dakota. It's a warm one.
Never forget batteries.
Never forget batteries, is what Mr. Jarrett says. Getting set up to camp for the night. This is the Clam X600 Ice Team. Ideal for 3 people camping.
It'll work.
Not exactly, but it'll work. You're gonna slay some eyes tonight, boy. Some wow eyes.
Cody?
Gotcha!
Where'd you catch it on?
Oh, holy shit!
You need some help?
Holy shit!
I see you. Oh, shit.
Oh, he's running. We got head shakes.
Oh shit! Oh shit! I gotta reel up. I'm gonna get tangled in someone's line for sure.
What'd you
I'll reel this up.
What'd you catch it on, Cody?
Chartreuse shrimp.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Probably what they're out there eating.
Thank you. Oh, come on, fella. I want to see what you are. Holy shit.
Looked like a walleye.
Is it?
That's what it looked like when
Hey,
it came
guys,
through
reeled
my
up?
screen. I'm not. You're not near me now. You must be rolling out.
I'm out of the water. I've been re-rigging this whole time.
You said you rolled up. Are you rolled up here? You want me rolled up?
I'm reeled up.
Okay. Look pretty long on my scope. There's more down there too. F***ing A. I don't care if I don't catch anything, as long as someone catches something, I'm good. And
Come on, fella.
holy sh**.
Hold on, watch out. Don't get in my line.
I don't know what that's either.
Of course, it's on my damn weakest pole.
Cody?
What?
I don't know what the
Hey, can you, what?
Sorry. If that's the thing that I'm seeing, it's pretty big. Sorry, I'll get my head out of your way.
You're good.
It almost looked like a pike if that's what I seen. Or I'm seeing a shallow or something.
Come on, fella.
You recording?
Yeah. I hit record earlier, forgot to shut off. Yeah.
There's a ton coming in yet too. Oh yeah, my language.
You're good.
Get my hand ready to get down in that hole.
It's probably not that big. I'm fighting it on a ultralight.
Why are you using your
I just saw
pole at
something.
30 feet?
Well,
For perch.
perch, yep.
Why wouldn't you?
Perch don't exist at 30 feet.
Yes, they
Oh
do.
yeah, oh yeah.
Those are schools of perch
Yeah,
down there.
I'm pretty sure.
Oh, watch, you're about to pull up something that's not
It's
a
probably
school of perch.
probably a walleye.
That'd be nice.
But yeah, perch go in the basin all the time.
Yep. We caught perch here, but well, I guess this is about where we were sitting last night.
That might be a walleye.
When it turned sideways, it was like that long on my screen. That's why I figured it was a walleye.
I saw white.
My head shakes. Ooh, ooh. It's right there at the bottom of the ice. Holy shit. What? That's a striped bass.
Oh crap, what is that?
It's a striped bass.
Damn.
White, it could be a wiper.
I think it's a white bass.
White bass. Oh, yeah.
Damn nice, bro.
Yeah.
That
Yeah, it's a white bass.
was a hell of a fight.
Yeah, I don't know.
Wait, no, that is a wiper.
It is
See,
a wiper.
he's got the long
lines.
bars that are interrupted.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
So I don't know if we can
White
keep
bass
wipers.
are just interrupted or blotchy. Stripers have stripes, and wipers are long lines that are.
It's nice.
Damn.
Here you go, buddy.
I want me to send you that video later.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
That was a hell of a fight.
Well, hopefully that's what they are. That'd be a good meal,
That was a
man.
hell of a fight on an ultralight. Let's get a measurement on this white bass. I know white bass aren't a fish everybody fishes for, but that was a hell of a nice fight. And we're gonna eat him. Haters gonna hate. Lovers gonna love. I don't even want none of the above. I want some fillets off you. Drip, drip, drip. About 15 inches. Yep. He's scooting up right there. Yep, a little over 15 inches. 15 and a quarter. Nice, that was a hell of a fight on an ultralight rod. I was coming right to it. Got him!
Same thing?
I think so.
Like the same bait?
See that?
Yep,
Chartreuse shrimp.
but it's not a white bass.
No. It is?
It might be.
You want to reel this up? No,
That's alright. I'd have never dropped it back. He's taking on.
It's funny. I see you all the way over here. That's probably because that's what they're down there eating. You got him, Jared?
Yeah. He's still got 25 feet to go, look like.
Yeah.
Look at this, like the temperature's young, right?
Fighting just like that one did earlier.
Oh, here they come again. Yep, right along the bottom. Does that the school look like you popped him out of?
It's a pretty
Yeah.
nice fish. I can see it on my screen.
There it goes.
It's this, right? Is that what you're using?
Yes.
Yeah, oh yeah, you drop that down with the wax worm, you're gonna nail him.
I'm gonna try a large Wonder Bread tungsten head with that little white wiggler.
If you got anything
tail.
that's chartreuse with fur, I think.
I have pink. I don't have anything chartreuse.
I'm horsing him a little bit here.
Ooh, I do have green shrimp though. I think dark green shrimp, olive shrimp. Actually.
He just came up and nailed it.
Is that him in the middle of the screen?
I don't think so. There he is.
Oh, yep.
Oh, hold on, move your hand.
Oh,
Try and get his head up.
Yeah, so I was gonna try and push him back there.
Another one?
I'm caught on the bottom of the ice, you might have to go down there. Got him. Nice. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, see, his bars are solid,
Yeah.
unbroken.
It didn't say anything about that in the identification thing. Just said the wipers are distinct. He nailed it.
tooth patch right on the base of the tongue.
Yep. Nailing nice white bass here in Waubay on the refuge. You gonna toss them out there? Oh, they're down there, bro. Yep. Head shakes.
We got head shakes. Only 10 more feet, it looked like. Oh, I see him. He's nice. Hey, don't f this up.
Yeah.
3 feet. Hold on.
Hold on. Hold on.
Yep.
Just let me get his head.
Oh yeah. I seen his head. Holy sh!
Get him. Yes. Nice. God damn.
Oh, there would've-
Hell yeah.
That's a hell of a walleye right
Hand
there.
it to me. Oh yeah. That might be my biggest walleye. Oh, I gotta measure him. Nice. Oh
On
man.
one of those new ones.
Yeah. My new frostbite jig.
I couldn't get him to fucking. Oh wait.
Oh man, that's so nice. Awesome. Well, let's see how much he measures.
Nope.
20 and a half. 20 and a half inch walleye. Nice eater. The flag up. He's on there. Little pike. Yeah. Little baby pike. Yep. Got one. Got a big pike on.
Yeah, that's nice. This one starts quick.
Oh, I guess he wasn't that big. Oh, but it's still a nice pike.
Yeah. It's,
Oh, I'm getting caught in the
I
ice.
got you. I got you.
Please don't snap me off.
No.
Okay.
That's a nice pike.
Get his head up. Let me get his head up there. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Let me get his head up. Okay. Nice. Thank you. Well, we're back in Nebraska now. As you can see, it's a lot wider. That was a pretty challenging trip. My buddy Jeff got sick while we were ice camping. The charger to the battery for my electric auger crapped out on us. No one had one within a 2 to 3 hour radius of Webster, South Dakota. We were gonna have to go to Fargo to get a new one. Luckily, my cousin Jared bought a new electric auger at Menards and saved our bacon. All in all, it was a good trip. We got on some fish, and that's about all a guy can ask for. Hope you enjoyed.